Experiencing a runtime error on your Windows 11 system? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In our upcoming video, we'll explore the common causes behind runtime errors and walk you through practical steps to resolve them. Press Alt plus F4 to launch the Shutdown Windows box. Click on the drop-down menu and select Restart from the list of options. Click on OK to restart the computer. Press Windows plus S to launch the Run command, type appwiz.cpl in the text field, and either hit Enter or click OK to launch the Programs and Features window. Locate and select the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable package and click on Uninstall at the top. Again, click Uninstall in the window that appears. Similarly, uninstall the other similar packages as well. Now go to the official Microsoft website and reinstall all the packages that you earlier uninstalled. After the download process is complete, double-click on the file to launch the setup. Next, tick the checkbox for I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on Install at the bottom. Right-click on the launcher .exe file for the problematic application and select Properties from the context menu. Navigate to the Compatibility tab from the top. Next, tick the checkbox for Run this program as an administrator and click on OK at the bottom to save the changes and close the window. Check if the error is fixed. If not, revert the changes you just made. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Device Manager in the text field at the top and click on the relevant search result that appears. Double-click on the Display Adapters entry here. Now right-click on the graphics adapter and select Update Driver from the context menu. Select Search automatically for drivers from the two options listed in the Update Drivers window. Press Windows plus I to launch Settings and select Apps from the list of tabs listed in the navigation pane on the left. Next, click on Apps and Features on the right. Locate the conflicting app, click on the ellipsis next to it, and select Uninstall from the menu. Again, click on Uninstall in the confirmation prompt that pops up. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.